Hi everybody. Today I would like to introduce you about 50 tips in Excel in 2020. I guess that could be really helpful for you guys to practice some of the tips, especially when you start working as an accountant. The first one would be you would moving your data, and the second one would be filter list. The third is remove blank cell, and the fifth auto fit column width, and the sixth quick analysis. That's pretty much everything that you are going to do when you start working. So basically now is good time for us to start, and I hope that would be useful for you. Thank you.